Today, we're diving straight into the best Beam Wallet referral trick that can help you maximize earnings efficiently. Beam Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to send, receive, and earn cryptocurrency rewards through referrals. The key to unlocking the highest rewards lies in understanding the referral system and leveraging it properly. First, ensure your Beam Wallet account is fully verified. A verified account allows you to participate in all referral campaigns without limitations. Next, focus on generating unique referral links. Each link can be shared with multiple people, but the trick is to target users who are genuinely interested in crypto or digital wallets. High-quality referrals increase the chances of your invitees completing transactions, which directly translates into higher rewards. The most effective trick is timing your referral. Send your referral links when Beam Wallet launches new promotions or bonus periods. During these times, rewards per referral can increase significantly, sometimes reaching up to $50 per successful referral. Additionally, guide your referrals through the setup process, ensuring they complete the required steps such as funding their wallets or making their first transaction. This ensures the referral counts as valid and you receive the reward without delays. Another strategy is to use multiple platforms. Share your referral link on social media, crypto forums, and community groups where people actively seek wallet recommendations. Avoid spammy approaches. A personalized message explaining the benefits of Beam Wallet often converts better than generic posts. Finally, track your referral progress within the Beam Wallet dashboard. Some users miss out on potential earnings by not monitoring pending rewards or following up with their referrals. Consistent monitoring allows you to maximize your earnings over time. By combining timing, targeted sharing, and proper guidance, this referral trick can significantly increase your Beam Wallet income, potentially adding hundreds of dollars to your crypto earnings without additional investment.